I have found a cracking blast from the past. It is a DeVleig Horizontal Milling machine. We're at Micron Subcon. They had got some cracking machines, a Matsuura 5-pallet machine, Nakamura fixed head lathe, but this still going strong. As I said, a 4-axis, let's just confirm that, 4-axis horizontal milling machine. So you obviously got your X, your Y and your Z, get that right. But in here you've got a rotary table. I am going to take the big step of calling that a C-axis. I don't know what you engineers call it, a B-axis, some call it that. I never know which one's which, but spinning around, so there you go. Huge envelope in there, 1.5 metres by 750, so it's massive. Now, the engineer was actually working around in there, it's so big at the moment. I won't go in there because A, I'll probably trip up, or B, I'll probably break something. It is machine anything really. At the moment, nice and big. Now, 350 kilo cast iron billet. It'll do E&H steels, anything like that. In the background there, you can see tool carousel, 90 tools. It is accurate all day, every day. It is lasered once every 12 months. And on here, what you've got is scales on every axis, so it keeps that accuracy, because normally you've got your scales on your lead screw, that will wear, reduce accuracy, not on this machine. So this is a DeVleig horizontal mill going back to, the big reveal, 1985.